Let me start today's video with a quick disclaimer. If you're into fragrance-free skincare, ELEMIS is not the brand that you should try, because in their philosophy, the essential oils that they add to their products are part of the sensory, pleasant experience of doing your skincare. And I have to say, it works. Hi, I'm Dr. Anne. I'm a medical doctor with a passion for skincare that works. On this channel, we explore the science behind skin and do quick reviews so you learn to pick exactly those products that work for your individual skin concern. So if this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell. And today I wanted to talk about the ELEMIS Peptide4 Plumping Pillow Facial, which is essentially a hydrating sleeping mask. But let's hear what ELEMIS has to say first. A hydrating sleep mask that drenches the skin in moisture, helping to plump the skin as it fights the visible signs of tired, dull skin. I know I will get comments on the pod packaging, and yes, a pod is really not the most hygienic form of packaging, but just opening it up and releasing the beautiful, warm, slightly florally scent, and yeah, looking at this light blue color is something that I find very pleasant. Yes, you stick your finger in it, but yeah, I wash my fingers before I apply my skincare, so I don't think it's that bad. As it is a hydrating sleep mask, you're supposed to apply it as last step of your evening skincare routine. So you do your regular routine, and then instead of a moisturizer, you use this one and leave it on overnight. The texture of this one is not as rich as you might expect. It feels more like a more nourishing gel on the skin, leaves a tad of tackiness for around 10 minutes, but if you give it that time, you can go to bed without staining your pillows. The scent is a combination of night jasmine, ylang ylang, and sweet orange, and makes for a slightly floral, slightly nutty, very warm scent that I find incredibly relaxing. In terms of ingredients, the ELEMIS Peptide4 Plumping Pillow Facial contains glycerin as main humectant, and then several antioxidants and emollients, as well as a mixture of essential and plant oils that aim to work as antioxidants as well, but also contribute to the soothing and uplifting scent. It also contains the signature ingredient of the Peptide 4 range, which is a blend of hydrolyzed yeast protein and other plant extracts that offer peptides that claim to increase hydration. Like everything that contains essential oils, it contains a few potential irritants like linalool, limonene, benzyl benzoate, and on top of that, it also contains added fragrance. I don't reach for sleeping masks very often. The only one that I can compare this to is the Claire Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Sleeping Mask that I really like for the summertime. It contains more humectant, so it has more of a hydrating effect, and also contains niacinamide, so the focus is more on brightening. The focus of this one is for sure the sensory effect of the essential oils. This one aims to lock in hydration rather than hydrate on its own. So if you're looking for something that will lock in hydration and act as an extra protective layer during these cold nights, and at the same time uses essential oils to help you unwind after a long and stressful day, then the ELEMIS Peptide4 Plumping Pillow Facial is something that you should try. If you're of course not into fragrance or have sensitive skin that reacts to essential oils, this one is definitely not for you. Please tell me in the comments below if you are into fragrance or if you prefer to go fragrance free. No judgment, I think it's a personal decision. I'm going to link to more reviews on the screen now, and I'm going to see you all very soon with another video. Bye!